Numerous cell phone clients take their gadgets with them to the restroom to do many assignments, between perusing instant messages or interpersonal interaction locales, and maybe conversing with others on the telephone. As indicated by exploration and studies, this conduct is unwanted and contains extraordinary risk. Also, as per the English paper, Mirror, researchers affirm that the wellspring of risk is the catch of hurtful microorganisms that might be available in washrooms for some explanation. Researchers have recognized a few sorts of unsafe microbes that might be available in washrooms, like Salmonella, E. coli, and C. difficile, and showed that it could be sent to a similar individual and from him to the telephone and conceivably to other people, assuming the telephone is introduced to them to see or understand something. They added that these microbes might be tracked down on the hands of restroom entryways, spigots, or some other gear inside the washroom, and these microorganisms will be communicated to individuals when they contact it. What's more, cleansing master, Lisa Ackerley, said that washing and sanitizing hands won't keep an individual from contracting sicknesses or moving microorganisms to his hands once more, as he doesn't disinfect the book or his cell phone. The head of biomedical sciences at Sovereign Mary College of London, Ron Cutler, cleared up that the best answer for forestall the transmission of microbes to people is, to put it plainly, to try not to take a cell phone with him. Cutler focused on that the peril lies not in how filthy or clean the restroom is, as in general society or shared washrooms.